Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can enter and log into your WordPress admin as a local host or on your local host system. So let's get right into it. Now, to run a local host server and run your site on the local host address or on your own IP address, you're going to need an app which is called XAMPP, which is this app right here. Now, I am currently having some problems with it, so I can't really run it. However, I will show you the steps of how you can do this. Now, of course, you should know your admin login credentials, and once you do, and once you download XAMPP, you can download it for free on the internet. What you're going to do is start both Apache and MySQL. As you'll see, neither of them work for some reason, but once they run, you just have to run them, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Once you're done with that, then you need to enter the URL for your localhost, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy your site name. Now, if you are in your admin dashboard, it's going to be your site name / wp admin / index.php. So what you need to do is just copy your website name. In my case, it's tutorialsitewix.wordpress.com. And before that, you're going to just, in between that and the HTTPS, you're going to write localhost. And then you're going to / and then your site name, and then you're going to / and wp-admin. Now, as I mentioned, mine doesn't work, so you just need to enter this here. So your localhost / your site name / wp-admin, press enter, and that's going to take you to the appropriate page. Now, my localhost isn't running, as you can see, so I can't really reach the site, but pretty much once you enter your localhost URL and once you log into your localhost, you'll see your login credentials, or you'll see a login screen. Just enter your WordPress credentials, and then your WordPress site will run on your local system, on your local IP address, and you'll be able to log into it and manipulate it however you want. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.